Wow! Look at all the colors! I can't wait to see what we learned today, can you, Skylar? Oh, goody goody! We made it to the desk! This is the best spot ever! Let's wiggle!
Hello, everyone!
Wow, look at that! It's the backpack! The little dump truck went up the ramp, scoop, 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 until it reached the very top. Hi, everyone! I'm Paco the Backpack, and as you can see, I'm ready for adventure! What do you call a sleeping bulldozer? A dozer! Feast your eyes on this magnificent quill. It practically does your homework for you. And look, a polyjuice author. Now everyone pick a crayon. Don't be afraid to dream big.
Whoa, look at the sparkles! My star is flying!
Wow, look at that! It's incredible! Yeah! Woohoo! Go, baby!
All right, class, now that I'm up here, let's review the main points of the photosynthesis cycle.
Indeed. Pay attention, everyone. This is crucial for the exam.
1, 2, 3. Great job! I did it! 1, 2, 3. Hooray!
Welcome to the future of portability. My holographic interface is fully active, displaying complex data structures in 3 dimensions.
Here is the red cube and the blue pyramid. Look at the green sphere roll. Great job, everyone!
Look at the blue triangle! Who can find the red circle?
Wow, there it is, and a yellow square. Wow, baby excavator, you did such a great job today. You're amazing!
Ow, look at you!
You're doing such a great job, cutie! Look what I have for you! It's time for a magical story! Ta-da! And so the brave knight looked up at the shimmering castle, unaware that the friendly dragon was about to swoop down with a roar. And then the big crane said, "That's not my wrench!" So the little bulldozer grabbed the giant spaghetti and threw it.
Welcome back, everyone! It's time to zip up your ideas and dive into this year's Teamwork Challenge. Let's get started!
Look, he waved at us. Wow, look at the backpack. It's so cool. Let's play together.
Isn't this exciting? We have all the pieces we need right here. Let's build something amazing!
Awesome job, guys! It looks so real.
Wow, great job today, baby excavator. Here's a special star just for you. Hey, everyone. It's time for our biggest drawing competition yet. Pick up your pencils and let's get creative.
Oh, that's a good one! Look at him go!
Don't be shy. We can do it together. Look, it's beautiful.
When we help each other, we create magic. See how our hearts light up when we work together. Hi, kids. Let's learn something new today. We'll explore the alphabet and count along the way.
Go, baby excavator, dance around the ring.
Ta-da! Isn't it shiny? It holds all the best ideas. Now, gently close your eyes. Let's take a slow, deep breath together.
Shh, breathe softly now. Watch the stars float by. See how peaceful the room is. Get ready for a classroom adventure. With this globe, book, and magnifying glass, we're going to explore the world right here in the classroom.
These are the magic books. Look at the pictures. I want to read this one.
Bet you didn't know I had this hidden away. Look at all the shiny cubes I've collected. Pretty neat, huh?
Here are some colorful blocks for you both.
Wow, thank you, baby excavator.
I love the red ones. Let's build a tall tower.
You did it! Absolutely brilliant teamwork, everyone!
Hooray! We finally did it!
All right, everyone, gather around for the class photo. Squeeze in tight now. Ready?
Say cheese! Cheese! Wow, look at us! Say cheese!
This is so fun! Say cheese, everyone! Time for the best photo ever! All right, class, it's time to pack up. Make sure you have everything before the bell rings. Goodbye, everyone. It was so lovely seeing you. See you again soon. We're finally done with class. Time to hit the hallway and bounce our way home. Woohoo!